You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, meaning farmer in French. That's the female farmer. The male farmer, it would be pronounced differently and be spelled differently as well. Fermière is how it's said in French. Fermière, fermière. The masculine would be fermier. If you cannot pronounce French very well, especially the French R, you can say fermière, fermière. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.